Welcome to our channel. If you want a full tutorial on how to upgrade your United Airlines seat, follow these step-by-step instructions for maximum comfort. Step 1. Log in to your United Airlines account on the official website or through the mobile app using your confirmation number and last name. Step 2. Navigate to the My Trips section to view all your upcoming flights and reservation details. Step 3. Select the specific flight you want to upgrade and click on it to view available upgrade options. Step 4. Look for the upgrade options or seat selection button to see what premium seating is available for your flight. Step 5. Review the different upgrade tiers including Premium Economy, Premium Plus, Business Class, and First Class, along with their respective prices and amenities. Step 6. Compare the benefits of each class, such as extra legroom, priority boarding, enhanced meals, and increased baggage allowance. Step 7. Select your preferred upgrade option and proceed to the payment screen where you can pay with a credit card or redeem mileage plus miles. Step 8. Complete the transaction and check your email for a confirmation message with your updated seat assignment. Verify the change in your booking details on the United website or app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.